Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video viewers, we're talking about the heart of Christmas, the Christmas tree. It's the most beautiful part of holiday decorating, full of spark, colors, and joy. Let's explore some creative, easy, and friendly Christmas tree ideas to make your home look magical this season. Classic red and gold tree. Nothing beats the timeless red and gold look. Use shining red bubbles, golden ribbon, and the twinkle fairy lights. Add a gold star on top for a royal finishing touch. It's elegant, warm, and full of Christmas spirit. Rustic nature tree. For a cozy farmhouse style, go natural. Use burlap, ribbon, wooden ornaments, pin cones, and dry orange slice. You can even add small ring, bow, or jute star. Simple, soft, and sturdy. Colorful family tree. Make it fun and full of memories. Use handmade paper ornaments, candies, and colorful lights. Let every family members add one special ornaments, maybe with their name or photos. It's turn your tree into a story of love and leather, white and silver snow tree. Friends, so friends, I hope you like my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, videos for more latest updates. Dye ornaments tree. Make your own ornaments using buttons, fabric, or felt. You can cut star, heart, and snowflakes and hang them with ribbon. Handmade ornaments add that personal touch that make your tree special. Light up magic. Lights bring the magic alive. Use warm yellow fairy lights for a cozy feel, or white LED lights for a modern look. Start from the button and go around the tree evenly. It's make the wall room spark. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos. So friends,